How to set up OBS Studio for the first time or for the beginners like me. OBS Studio, also known as Open Broadcaster Software, is a free and open source application for screencasting and live streaming. It allows you to capture and compose scenes in real time, including elements in your webcam, game video, and microphone audio, like this one. OBS Studio supports various streaming protocols such as RTMP, HLS, SRT, RIST, and WebRTC. If you're new to OBS, don't worry, there's a lot to explore. But take your time and watch this carefully. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Pabs TV Vlogs. Today I'm going to show you how to set up OBS Studio, the free and powerful tool for streaming and recording. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just to get into recording or live streaming, OBS Studio has you covered. By the end of this video, you will be ready to start streaming or recording your content like a pro. Let's dive in. First, i-download muna natin yung OBS Studio. Download and installation. Let's get OBS Studio installed. Head over to obsproject.com and download the version that's right for your operating system. Once it's downloaded, run the installer and follow all screen instructions. Meron tayong mga iba't ibang way pa kung paano mag-save or mag-install nitong OBS Studio. It's a straightforward process and you'll be ready to go in just a couple of minutes. So let's get overhead to my computer and then obsproject.com. So meron ako ditong dinownload. I-install na lang natin. Yes, next. Ganun lang. Yung same procedure lang din kung paano kayo mag-install. And then piliin nyo lang kung saan file yung ilalagay. So I choose a C file. Pero pwede nyo ding ilagay dito sa inyong PC or desktop para mas madali nyo makita pag yung i-install nyo na. So it goes a little something like this. Let's wash this out. And thank you nga pala sa Hanya Prep for sending me the Stream Deck Classic. Ito yung old model na Stream Deck. So marami na siyang brand model ng Stream Deck. So after nating ma-install, finish set up, and there you go. Final install siya, and that's it. Now that the OBS Studio is installed, let's launch it. The first time you open the OBS, you'll see the auto configuration wizard. This is a great way to quickly set up your software. If you're planning on streaming, select optimize for streaming and OBS will automatically choose the best settings based on your hardware. If you're focusing on recording, choose the second option. Let's go with streaming for now. And OBS will then test your system and set the optimal resolution and frame rate. Let's make these things up. With the basic setup done, it's time to add some sources. Sources are what OBS uses to capture content. In the sources boxes, click the plus sign and select display capture to show your scene or video capture device to use your webcam. Name your source and hit OK. Adjust the size and position of the source if needed. Next, let's add the audio. Click the plus sign again and add audio input captured for your microphone and audio output capture for desktop audio. And it goes a little something like this. Since our collection of sources and they're essential for organizing your content to create a new scene, click plus sign in the scene box. You can switch between scenes easily, which is helpful if you're using multiple cameras, just like me, or want to show different content during your stream, or yung nag-unbox tayo para meron tayong ibang angle dun sa i-unbox natin or i-review. Before we start streaming or recording, let's take a quick look at the settings. Go to the file and then settings. Under output, you can select where your recordings will be saved and choose the recording format. For streaming, make sure to select the correct streaming service. Under the stream tab, audio settings are also important. Choose the right bitrate and make sure your devices are correctly selected. And let's take a look at this. Now let's connect OBS to YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio. Click Go Live and under Stream, you'll find your stream key. Copy that key and go back to OBS. In the stream settings, paste the key. Once that's done, you're ready to go live. Finally, to start your stream or recording, simply click the Start Streaming or Start Recording button on the right side of the OBS. And you can monitor your streams healthy directly from YouTube Studio. And that's it. You're now live on YouTube or recording your content. Or make sure na i-check nyo kasi iba-iba tayo ng format. Ngayon, nag-upgrade na kasi itong si OBS Studio. You can check the message kung sa kanan or sa kaliwa. And in my next vlog, let's discuss and learn how to set up the audio and video settings inside OBS Studio. And that's all for today. You've just set up OBS Studio for streaming and recording. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this and more OBS practices, or we will try to learn some tips and tricks dito sa OBS Studio. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. In times of problems, conflicts, difficulties, and fear, let us call upon the Lord and He will listen to us. And these Pops U vlogs saying there's a rainbow always after the rain. See you on my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Happy streaming.